Chelsea Asashi bi
5-4
na team is on number 5-4 e some tabana nkoma she be 30
me say e nkola na ebo
se mo na mo nkora
mo na sabia lo nse afi no oba
yate
ntobo ase
ya ba fie na ene discussion am pese di hu nkoma wo fie no aye the rate at which say the foreign coaches no take you over our football, especially yenim say oba Ghana ha ye coaches bia de nka anya hwe no anka ye start Ghana Premier League, especially Kotoko any house no ka ba se bia sa coaches wo mo and the teams yi edeba mediamanom Gold Stars no ne ade so atase, but it looks like as a coaches ni nyina no gradually ye you am free system Emma abrofo no take over. Is it a Gold Stars Kutabruni, Asante Koro Kutabruni, House of Kutabruni, Vision Kutabruni, and a Heart of Lions, almost so Okuta a Brunia, Omodeno a Baba Bo a decision. Now, so share a sad discussion and then pese yin ya. The moment I be raise that subject matter na, among first moment can say, oh, the problem a coach, coaching education. And then now my young coaches as a gradually you are free system anymore abrofono and so take over because that's all the Jumedini Mama the likes of Didi Dramani Prosper Nate Ogum Masua Kunedu Bashir Hayford and from Paul Mansono as a amount for doubt to Omakakra say about tactics as a coaches among Shada and Nadia and then maybe saying Nadia per solution what exactly is going on a coaching education and now a BB beyond that. Yenim and I must say clubs na ankasa yeni ankasa de no motia no aso muni gide bia enso mu ebi so already concerns say nkabe ya sa coaches we yemfo mo kwama ne no mo nkosua de na omunim de no mbenya no Black Stars no mani ade no omo so mfa sa ne de no emfa ema beboa ema Ghana so no bibia entimi enkonkan one a year waka assembly bi anaso de na no ato sanse semi mu yeni ankasa Alhaji Karim Guza na fe Jude memra ho na mintie problem no dear pa Alhaji Karim Guza heavy ase the local coaches na esenka ye do mo kwa brochire ama omukosua de no ono na dwenkyire ebo ho ene se na fe Jude onso ebrem
na me baucho
Jude, Bransana, Memfa ifu from Famonavi, Yemfanto.
Say Yemfa local coaches. One a year or two and the sick course. Chilem General course no Adisa, Kafu Baha, and not FIFA Baha no Maye. Upesa we Aduma, Senegal coach, what to make attachment, Morocco coach. No, coach what you over say, this every and then found and podcast minister and found call. Who you seek out what you percentage of my home. And many will be a yard.
Okay, eti Alhaji Karim Cruiser heavy. As on this half one in Yadri. And I buy them from coaching courses, coaching course in the bar and fast one umbutum neba and yet on mine. It's all my uncle Kusu, my dear. Dude, problem near dear. Clubs and this is the antenna. It's all my dear bro free by coaches I can see now. Film.
Yeah, Rich made us say, yen shirt here for no pay. Now, Rich, question now be Simon, a catalog of factors. Man, first of all, I believe in multinationalism, BBM. And I'm my own embraces idea. Clearly, I ask almost level, almost call BBM. For a nation like the US of A, patriotic, or Jubia Atum, depending on the order on board. I can one man in a picture. For France, in footballing sense, France dominance has virtually gotten to the fact that Omo free in Krofo Frosso. Omo ready some person but my France national team. Onunsi ready so be in Brazil. It's patriotic as in the 1998 World Cup, you say United Nations team because almost the entire setup, about 70 to 80% are foreigners. San and so to the Spain cry penny phone back or a candidature France team. Rich, many problems say you be foreigners. I will legal. I will say yes, sir. just like etiminya in players ma etu kwan ni etiminya in coaches nso ema omo nso ekwa ama no ne se maso kradu mu nyina no omo atra the shores of Ghana da maso kradu minim as a matter of fact say onumpo no edu ba bia you in players bi omo free scene no omo ko South Africa any other part of Africa maso kradu air consultants
no ande do omo ko
ono anka say so omo bi se bi okro omo pe player bi anka player A no omo pe otimika say dey bi player A emwa player B na beboa yes into on sa level no minim even Christopher Enin minim so guys at a point okọ Swaziland na akọkọ ye adwuma yes so even good for our league say ubenya foreign nationals amom ebem but I na mpempi no de obebisa ne de ohwe ne say ofa nipa na CV a etesey ne quality or deba on board etesey all ba no say obi a foreign national no oba just like players also di bibi stronko a eni ha na adeba rich person so anya point ni also di bibi stronko so ye foreigner na wo badia e de wo deba on board no e ade a eni say ebi e wo ye league no now so di aba na aboa upgrade ye league no into the West study England for instance EPL I know me so strict about even foreign players I was a mobile league now you share national team caps you share national team no what about how many matches in the day more what boy be more than 60-70% and I'm because they believe that any will be a keke and I also obabe ball league no until ball league no more who be so extraordinary right to him say offer Ghana league and can foreigners in actual sense and said that me boy bebre me ubi samia foreigners pa omo impact in game mu clearly now say foreigners we dey omo buy no on the BB stronko aba on say Ghana no the last time a foreigner managed to win the league a foreigner or J league no and they back 2010-2011 no
and a foreign coach or
yes a foreign coach or Ghana league 2010-2011 Hans van der Ploem. Okay, Brecum Chelsea. A very good coach. Hans van der Ploem, sorry. On the J League, you know, for Brecum Chelsea. And Rich, Sir Usha Sadian critically, and what be sound say anti, there in a mass artist, no, for foreign coaches, no, still a war. Because na make us a rich me pay a foreigner or bar or impact or the additional balignum generally, leg nankasa be benefit, club names be benefit. Share. Okay, this man Hans the Tasmate. Abenkwai. And one of the finest coaches are. Na ye hu in system num. Save Sadia na to no Hans the Tasmate a detective you and the man lose in the job.
Ojo akoyi cha stay free.
Sadia na.
I'm sa changes na papa ne no ma dwe ho a.
Yes, you will powder good if you be so any
about the spiritual change.
Yes, be so no kokko unity wa akra na kokko unity no na ho no so na and the ni na abontre ko ma asem na make. She fa and smith end up.
One of the finest. Finest. And smith end up. Oh yeah, do
way and smith end up. And akotoko that time no meba. Pa kwesi Fabian Piquet that time no. Ono here kotoko youth team ne so no enyo ne mend up na na ye adwuma mend up inter schools na no okobi na mend up na ye player rich who fi abehunu atwa o opeso hu sa wada no monitor players ba sim no do mu nya so de omo wo ho no mo abeti na obi ball punum
you late 2 minutes obeka to so no training
yes it mend up share sa level na or the Ghana football mun Cheryl Zundik the Cats. Okay, Ravzunde. On the Herbert Mensa issue, no many kakete. Well, some coaches, respective levels are almost the buy. And to almost be anywhere or J Lake, we agree. But almost elevate Kotoko Bona no bono. Almost the course certain level. Rich person sort of point and I see almost the course certain level. A man who say yes, Kotoko Baba Bedru leveler. Because that time, now to folk so dominant after they then go for AJ League network so 3 consecutive seasons, you know. And I had to folk take you over. Rich, and also G2 so 6 consecutive seasons. and they were so dominant. And baby Anna has a building in word Bruno. Now I'm say I'm running crabby and sana kotokonsuet me. I can't see up. It's rich. Social star coaches, no. Said your baba beye Juma. Offer Hans van diploma. Na Juma koyo bekum Chelsea. Now 4 more. A few foreign coaches now by a league in clearly say Our teams are more funded the level of the economy. Runko. ABIS Edian and D Chioba Aristica, almost in from so called one, almost on the year pass all your way. But if generally are rich, and okay, so could ubit date back, I could David Boot monso time. Okay, David Boot, and more bad my go faults then. It is all ye is our coaches in the free one. Foreign coaches, Ebano, almost that special. Do one and over ye local coaches, no, CV no. Fight your local coaches in this TV now. Who said, I'm bro, some foreign coaches in the so.
And you hadn't in him for my one.
Share may appreciate here, dear Bianca, generally, Uti. Yan leg no rich, who foreign coaches rooms are. Yen you win the summer dorsal, Bomon dorsal, Metro. Shall last season, there be a trend been a money a bit worrying. Last season, we had just 2 foreign coaches. Our leg no, yes, leg national. Rich, say in the city here. Over last season, Obefa Ahmed Fati. Okay. All Blacks. No Baba Befa Shoba Aristica with Ediana Stars. Coaches are born last season leg no. Virtually no money na local coaches no. Talk of Bechem United. Na Desmond Bucci. Uti. Brasante Kotoko. It was Karim Zito. Oba Mediama na Ibrahim Tanku. Oba Pando Heart of Lions. It was Bashir Hayford. Brasamates na Christopher Enin last season as I'm making Dreams FC na Winfred Domon Oba Baseke Holy Stars Evans Adote Karela United Nuruddin Amadu Oba Brekum Chelsea Samuel Buedu Heart of Folk was Didi Dramani Gold Stars was from Paul Manso Ansana O movie yes was from Paul Manso Nations FC na Kasim Mingle Vision FC Nanajiman Nuaba Hoho United Tijani okay Tijani Heart of Folk. Yes, or no, and an coach. And then young apostles, me bra penny, as I be diako. No about a chiman 11 wonders, nay, or that lamb they almost started, and sana later J is upon Airbem, Ama Emmanuel Edu Swabem Sobekaya. And clearly, nay, only 2 foreign coaches, and you now in league. But season here, Baba Sassi, you know, a movie from 2 about 5. 5 coaches, you know, Eric Tinkler. Brahato folk and the Bosa couple meboa. Good. Oba Gold Stars are Petros Kukuras from Greece. Now about Heart of Lions Kasim Godis. No about Vision FC Padrak Yeredesh. These are the 5 foreign coaches or more in league no. The Akanino ye locals. And Tianka still fun on percentage basis. So Oba appreciated the fact say you believe in your local coaches. Now, meaning said the worrying aspect has got to do with the fact that Oko yen clubs here currently. The big names are normally also who are big names, no? Because Oko, for instance, Oba Karela and Nuruddin Amadu, the only coach Abeka said with the level of experience, no about Port City, Christopher Enin. And under normal circumstances, and consider any big name, but the who say oh no gradually, baby are all con the level no o peja. Uber Ediana Samuel Buedu. Of course, Buedu is a big name. No about Brekum Chelsea, Kwaku Danso. Danso any big name in that regard. No about Dreams FC, Winfred Domon. Domon also is an okay, but any big name, any football board Nasem Yeka coaching. Red Patwati I say. No about Diana and no about Mediama. Ibrahim Tanku is a big name. No about DBB United. Oba Honman Isaac Ama. As gold for Karim Zito. So you'd have Karim Zito also in there. Zito is a big name. In fact, Ghana ha sesino. O kayem coaches are omo profile was through ye pana. Karim Zito count. When him say my information na Elmeric Epeno. Okay, it's a time no free kotokono okay. Say on a lot of office so bekaya. Now Elmeric Epeno. Na number so much $5,000. and one call. No, see at least with baby Ababa Bedruno, or hear more than that. But generally, no, the big names are who expected to also no. The Master Knedus, the Dr. Prosperity Ogums, sign names.
Reason here, they're not infancy.
Reason no near rich. A bit decided so I'm in for a foreign coach. I reason, and they say, one, Obi Honoma, Uti. Tisa large Karim Grooms ask him, okay. On no muko for foreign coach, and the reason the idea back up. And yes, so for foreign coach, say, or Jelege Manu. Or for foreign coach, say, Obepe clubs at the Amani players. Now we are also no. What your percentage? None the reason no. Say the idea way. So steady foreign coaches or your league num says here. Offer vision there. Now Baba Befa Aya Pedra Jeredich. No Baba Befa Heart of Lions there. No for gold stars there. Say offer names re critically. Ubu say emu tu na ye business plan or mobile. Because Asante Kotoko any business in Tino Kokofa Eric Tinkler. Tiase ni. Obaba be far to focus so dia any business in meboa ufa gold stars are by the level of the one kwa drew any investment or team no said your money no any business in tia okay purely for results and o believe say foreign coach bet me man the expected results by local coach and me for side man name omo be fat Lions any Vision FC omo ball leg ne so omo ba jelego enti omo ebe pe coach a obetimi aboa no one omo aye sa business no. So from that perspective, don't be very free. And in effect, Usha essentially, only 3 teams, and after foreign coaches are clear say or mobile time say win the league for us, make an impact. The other 2 no, by virtue of where they are coming from, and no mobile time no, and rich factors now will be sano, and also, and yeah, them pony betting at the area because the entire makers are say, how to focus at a point. No nya local coach or papa but no local coaches ni be twetwe omo ho and e bi so bobo bi a they felt to say even a foreigner and boss albon okay maso okunadu buo na no okay say no mo pe maso but na maso obo na obon has a believe say e buo omo feelings omo ntimi but what you say e bi so decide say has adwuma no the pressure ba with it any mun sensem no
politics near too
much. Your big coaches. Now say Ibrahim Tanko Johnny has a Jumada. On your way. So the Dr. Prosperity Ogum there. And just say stories keke na a real. But a big Johnny a Juman. And at rich finally. What are money? Yeah, my nimko coaches. Yeah, me body so. Nanajaman. Yeah, me a nimko Christopher Enin Moso. Samuel Buadumo. Only reason Tiama may boss her name see. For now, the reality is that Coach Bashir Hayford Moyebo Omudini Nano. They are aging. Majority I say, Omuni age ever almost side. And to say, oh baby, I was investing near my Nikoso. What that's here. Christopher Enin, Moisa young guys, no more be almost there, no more ready say modern football, no almost yeno. I'm not see me yeni akọ mo so mo.
But Jude, you better answer na. Aya, brema ina